Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to loop or repeat the YouTube video on mobile device. Okay, so let's get started. Open the YouTube application on your mobile device. Okay, so once you open the YouTube application on your mobile device, click on the video which you want that particular video to be repeated again and again without touching your device. Okay, for example, I will just scroll down. I will just select any one of the video. Okay, suppose if I select any one of the video, let's see if there is any song here. So let's try to scroll on. Okay, so I want this particular video to be I want this particular video to be repeated again and again. Okay, so for that what I will do is like I will just click on this particular video. ये कहानी है so once I click on that particular video, on the top right hand side here you can see one gear symbol, that is a settings icon. So just click on it. So once you click on that, here you can see various options like quality, playback, speed, captions, lock screen, additional settings. Okay, so just click on the additional settings. So here you can see the arrow symbol. So just click on that. So once you click on that, here you can see the loop video. Okay, you can just drag it towards right side. So here you can see the option or the pop-up video loop is on. That means like the video loop is turned on. That means like now this video will be played repeatedly again and again without touching your device. Okay, so this is how you can loop or repeat the video again and again on your mobile device on your YouTube application. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.